What's up, my friends? This is Pickleball Ace here, and you know what time it is? Unboxing time of a new paddle sent to us by the good people at HUDEF Sports. HUDEF Pickleball VIVA SCF1 in white. And so we'll unbox this new paddle. I'm very excited to have this. Thank you, HUDEF Sports, HUDEF Pickleball, for this one.
And here we are. Looks like great packaging too. Alright. Wow, that's nice. Alright.
Comes into this nice box. Look at that. Very pretty. HUDEF. So it's packaged very well. I think, let me read some few things right here. This starts at $169. If you go visit their website, you'll find more info over there. Alright, here we are. Look at the packaging, guys. Beautiful packaging. Very nice. Alright, let's open this together. Boom. And here it is. Oh, really nice. They got your paddle cover. The specs right here. There's the VIVA. It comes with paddle eraser. Look at that packaging, man. Premium. And 2 overgrips. And a tuning tape. Wow, they included tuning tape. Shout out to you guys. And the paddle itself. Look at the packaging. $169, guys. Very nice. Beautiful. So let's get into the specs. So this is USA Pickleball approved, stamped in there with their logo, HUDEF logo. This is the model, VIVA SCF1. So let me read it carefully right here. This is their proprietary supercritical foaming polypropylene honeycomb. So the face material is a raw T700 carbon fiber, and this is the elongated shape, 16.5 inches in length with 7.40. This is a 16 millimeter. Yes, it's 16 millimeter. The weight is 8.2. Grip length 5.5, and this one is about 4 1/8 inch. And yep, you definitely like for me, I'm used to a thicker grip, so you definitely need one of the over grips. And look at this. Look at that. Very pretty. You can see. Gritty surface. Very beautiful. Right there. HUDEF. And so we'll be taking this to court. We'll do some playtime, some play tests on this one. Possibly with my if my partner is available, or I can use my pickleball machine. Let's do some drives, dinks, and everything else. Let's put this to the test. I know they included a tuning tape with it, but for now, let's just put an overgrip, and then we'll try to hit some few balls, and then I can give you advice on where you can put your weight or your perimeter weighting, okay? So stick around for the second part, the second video. Please subscribe to this channel and continue to support all the products that are on my YouTube channel and Instagram, okay? Shout out, thank you to HUDEF Sports for sending me this paddle. Can't wait to take it to court. Please stick around and watch for the next video. Thank you so much.